When the road gets rough and every mile feels like a battle, only the toughest survive. Welcome to Truck Mechanic: Dangerous Paths 2026, the ultimate test of skill, endurance, and survival for truck drivers. This isn't just about driving from point A to point B. In this game, you're not only the driver, you're also the mechanic. Your mission? Deliver cargo across some of the harshest environments imaginable: steep mountains, muddy roads, and dangerous off-road tracks. One wrong move, and your truck could end up overturned, stuck, or broken down in the middle of nowhere. That's where the mechanic part comes in. Every breakdown means you need to fix your truck on the spot, from changing tires to repairing broken parts. You'll need skills, patience, and the right tools to keep going. So, what makes Truck Mechanic: Dangerous Paths stand out? Let's break it down. Realistic truck physics. Every hill, curve, and load affects your driving. Dynamic weather and terrain. Expect rain, mud, snow, and shifting. Obstacles. On-the-fly repairs. You'll scavenge parts, use your toolkit, and fix your truck in real time. Immersive story mode. This isn't just trucking. It's survival in hostile terrain. Variety of trucks. Upgrade and customize your rigs to handle different challenges. Each delivery feels like a life-or-death mission. It's not about speed. It's about surviving the journey. The 2026 edition brings even more to the table. Expect new environments like desert canyons, icy mountain passes, and flooded jungle roads. Developers have also improved truck physics, making handling more realistic than ever. Plus, enhanced graphics and expanded story elements make this the most immersive entry yet. So, are you ready to test your skills behind the wheel and under the hood? Truck Mechanic: Dangerous Paths 2026 is the ultimate trucking survival challenge. Add it to your Steam wishlist today and prepare for the drive of your life.